Hi everyone, it's a beautiful day today. We just had our breakfast in the hotel and we are going to take a little adventure up into the hills of Fatiga and St. Bartholomew, and also then go down to Maspalomos. This is going to be an exciting drive. We first came to Gran Canaria about 20 years ago, and one of the reasons we chose Tenerife instead of Gran Canaria was the road structure, but that has all changed now, and you won't believe what they have done. They've done so much work, it's unbelievable, and basically they've built a new motorway going all the way to Port Morgan, and you just go off this motorway to all the different areas like Puerto Rico, Maspalomos, St. Bartholomew, and so on. And I'm going to basically show you the route we're going to take through these tunnels to get to Maspalomos. But before we go there first, we're going to a place called Fatiga up into the mountains, which is beautiful and breathtaking scenery. You have to travel to this area when you come to Gran Canaria, because it does really show the beauty of this island. To get to Fatiga, we have to go towards Maspalomos and Puerto Rico first. So we're going to pass Maspalomos and then take a route to Fatiga. But first we're going to go through all these tunnels they've constructed to make this journey much easier now. There's tunnels ranging from 2.5 kilometers to only 500 meters, and these tunnels have made traveling in Gran Canaria much simpler and enjoyable as well. So let's not talk too much, and let's enjoy this trip to Fatiga and Maspalomos. Right, we're in Fatiga now, and I'm going to show you the valley and the beauty of this place, which I fell in love with 20 years ago, and decided that this is the place I want to live, and I had to make it come true, and luckily I managed it, and now I'm living here with my wife Juliana and Max, of course, and enjoying life. Now we're just above Fatiga in a place called St Bartholomew, which is also breathtaking as well. And I'd just like to mention that when I first saw this place, it was a decision I made to live in the Canaries. But before we did that, we travelled all around Europe for the next 5 years to see maybe there's a nicer place to live, because it would have been nearer to England. But we didn't find any place, reason being because in the winter it did get a little bit colder, and where in the Canaries you can swim in the sea all year round. So that's why in the end we chose the Canaries, and in the end we chose Tenerife. This is the place we stayed when I first came to Gran Canaria. We was dropped off by a transfer coach, and before we came here, I was going through a bit of a turmoil in life, and my life was in a bit of a rut. But coming here changed my life completely, and it gave me a direction to follow, which changed my life, and I'm grateful for that. And now I'm in the Canaries and enjoying life. I have no regrets, and it's a beautiful way to live in the Canaries with the warm sun, and it's just shorts and t-shirt weather here. The type of bungalows we stayed in, they're all in little compounds, like little resorts basically, and Juliana booked a package holiday which include accommodation, and breakfast was included as well. This was the first time I've ever been on these type of holidays. Never in my life have I come on holiday before, so for me it was an experience which I really enjoyed. And one of the reasons Juliana bought this ticket to here is because her parents came here when they first got married on their honeymoon, and it's quite ironic really that in the end we came to live here, and Juliana's mum also came to live here as well to spend out her last days here with us. Now walking towards Maspalomos beach, We're going to go for a little swim as well and cool down a little bit, but on the way we noticed these camels, so I thought I'd do a little bit of video footage of it for you. Also going to go through the nature reserve as well, was on our left hand side, which you'll see as we go through. As you can see below, they are the resorts like the bungalows type we stayed in, and they each have their small area. That's around a golf course, so it could have been somewhere around there we stayed, I'm not sure. It was a long time ago and everything has changed now. Nice to be back on Maspalomos beach, and I tell you, it brings back memories. That's the nature reserve, what you can see in front, and these are the dunes of Maspalomos, what gives this area the beauty and the natural beauty. This sand apparently is blown over from the Sahara, so it's not man-made beach, and it's a beautiful stretch of walk, but you have to be a bit careful because if you carry on walking you come to the nudist section as well. Let's not waste any more time and get into that water. It looks really inviting. It's a little bit windy today, as you can see. Juliana's trying to hold on to her hat, and it's so windy. I've never known it like this before, but we're going to get into that sea and enjoy Maspalomos beach and cool down as well, because it may look a bit windy, but it's still really warm here. Well, that's our day spent at Maspalomos beach and the surrounding areas. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do let us know in comments if you like this type of content and if you'd like us to produce more, because I really enjoy traveling to these places, and I enjoy making this content as well. It may take me a little bit of time to edit it and get it out to you. It's taken so far just a couple of weeks now since we got back from Gran Canaria, but it's all worth it at the end of the day. Plus it's a memory for us as well, which we cherish. So I hope you enjoy this video, and please, like I say, let us know in the comments what you made of this video and if you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and well, I've got my cooking videos coming up as well, so keep your eyes out for those as well. So bye for now.